enterprises or cartels of similar or Magargarian and Sagarchan, where people come in the form of a company, take data from our young people and pay 7,000. Mr. Speaker, I think we can leave the Cabinet Secretary for ICT, and I think Professor Kindiki was right to suspend. I will want to also to beseech you, Mr. Speaker, that the same Minister for Internal Security should now close all the borders to ensure that the Sarkarshans, the people called Walcoin who came to take data from our people, are actually secured so that they don't run away from the country, because this is a very serious matter, Mr. Speaker, and I want to tell you it may be even data to wipe out information on the portal, similar like the one that happened with the e-citizen, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it is now a security matter for Kenya, where the head of state in this matter should be involved, so that the borders of Kenya and the tax that come to take data for Kenyans are actually secured, so that they can be arrested to answer why they are taking. And I want to use this opportunity, Mr. Speaker, to call upon the young people of Kenya, including the young parliamentarians, to ensure that they don't again and again be taken cheaply and given money that you do not know who actually made the money and for what reasons. And I'm told, Mr. Speaker, when you are actually, your data is taken up to including your eye, one day you will also go and you will become blind. So the youth of Kenya, be cautious on what you take, Mr. Speaker. And I want to say it is a serious matter that requires our attention, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Milemba.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and let me thank the young parliamentarian for this statement. But let me be quick to say that what happened yesterday with the world coin, which is closely associated with the cryptocurrency, which has been banned and is also having challenges around the world in terms